All right, I'm going to skip ahead way in the notes. If you're looking at your PowerPoint, this is several problems away, but it's still example number 4 in your notes somewhere. Like I said, I've gotten confused on myself, but I remember it being problem number 4 when I wrote this down. Again, I've got x's trapped up in the exponents, but I can't get the bases to be the same. So what I'm going to do is take the log of both sides. I'll take the log of this side and the log of this side, log of 2 to the x plus 5. Remember, exponents come out front as regular numbers. And the hardest part for people to understand is they want this to do something more special than it is, or they don't recognize log of 7 is just a number. If you type it in the calculator, it gives you an approximation, a decimal approximation. Same thing with log of 2. So these are just numbers, okay? It's like the square root of 5 or something. It's just a weird number that you can get off the calculator if you need to. So I'm going to have to multiply log of 7 times both of those. That'd be x log of 7 plus 3 log of 7. Just distributed that log of 7 to both the x and the 3. Same thing over here. I got to distribute that log of 2. I got to say x log of 2 plus 5 log of 2. And because these both have x's, I want them on the same side. I'm trying to solve for x. So it's x log of 7 minus x log of 2. And this doesn't have an x, so I want it to go over here where this fella doesn't have one either. So subtract it. And because these both have an x, I'm going to factor out that GCF, where it's log of 7 minus log of 2. All I'm doing is getting the x by itself because the directions are going to say solve. And this is x times a number. I know that's a weird number, but log of 7 minus log of 2 on your calculator is just a number if you type it in. So how do you get rid of something multiplied times x? You divide by it. So this is going to be x is equal to 5 log of 2 minus 3 log of 7 divided by that thing that I'm dividing over here. It's log of 7 minus log of 2. This is the exact answer. You could type this in on the calculator to get the approximation. It just depends on what they ask for, and if it's multiple choice, look at the multiple choice answers to see if they want the decimal or the exact. I will take either answer though, this one or the decimal version. If you want to know what that noise is, my kids are over there playing right there. Hey kids. And they're doing the alphabet puzzle. So they're really into this. Anyway. All right, so let's look at the next example.